Here we learn how to use the variables in Python programming. So some variables are defined like cars equal to 100 and space in a car equal to 4.0. This is considered as a float value for this. And the drivers are 30 and passengers are 290. So cars not driven equal to cars minus drivers. Okay. So each car will have one driver like that. So when it comes to these values to be used, there we are having some little math here. How many cars and what is the pool capacity and all. So when it comes to the printing, like a print, there are cars available like this. So when we see there are 100 cars available, you are seeing, no, this 100 is coming from here, this variable, and this variable is defined with the cars equal to 100, and this is directly whatever it is there, we are implying it. In other place, like carpool capacity is there. Carpool capacity is the cars driven into space in a car is a some multiplication, some math is done. That math is reflected here. Carpool capacity, we can transport 120.0 people today. We can transport is that is a carpool capacity. Like that, we need to derive the variables. Uh, Previously, we used that number. We whatever the variables directly comma and we put it in the quotes, and the rest thing again we leave the variable as it is, and then rest again in the quotes. So there is this is another way of writing. We can open curly braces and put that whatever the variable you declared earlier, like here my no my name is equal to Rohan, my height equals so and so. So something like that it is written. So those things can be put under the curly braces, and that will be recognized as a variable, and that can be directly taken into the consideration.